Have you ever wondered how 2050 will look like? Well, it seems that year 2050 will entirely change human life, and predicting what our planet Earth would look like after 29 years is a challenging task. Several things can change in a single decade, from flying cars to robots replacing humans. Things will be even more and more exciting as we step into this world filled with modern technology. But do you know what all things would be there after 29 years? Well, if you don't know, then you've come to the right place. To make you feel excited about the future generation, we have carried out some exciting things that will give you an accurate picture of the world in 2050. From things traveling in the air to things fitting inside our body, join together as what would be the future technology in 2050, and I am sure you will be amazed after watching this video. Hello guys, this is Connor from Tech Locker, and today in this video, we'll look at how the world will look like in 2050. Hey wait! Before starting our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. So let's get started. Did you know that by 2050, our planet would be entirely different? Yes, you heard it right. When we step into 2050, our world will be renamed as a highly advanced planet. We'll see artificial intelligence will be in every corner of the world. AI-driven stores will help you make cashless transactions, and the best part is, you don't have to wait to stand in lines. Isn't it cool, right? AI will treat all the patients and will take care of all the transportations without any hassle. Till 2050, robot dogs and other companions will dominate the workers' lives and quickly replace mechanics, repairers, and other tech services with robots. In 2050, there would be no problem with language barriers. As we turn our home into a modern world with advanced technologies, hundreds of sensors will soon be installed in our homes to improve our environment and protect against unwanted situations. And what about Elon Musk's Neuralink? Do you know what this crazy guy is doing for humans? If you don't know, let me tell you that the founder and CEO of SpaceX and Tesla is making Neuralinks that will treat multiple disorders like Alzheimer's, spinal cord injury, and blindness. Elon Musk's brain chip will allow several people to easily control their computers with no physical interaction, which means by 2050, we will be communicating with each other through brain signals. Pretty cool and exciting, right? You'll also be able to travel the world and experience life on other planets. All these imaginative things will turn into reality. Even we will travel in a car that would run on electricity. No one has thought this much interesting and exciting when we've seen electric cars running on the streets. It is predicted that by 2025, the number of electric vehicles will reach 2.3 million, and Global EV has projected that it will surpass 10 million by the time we reach 2050. The majority of gas stations we see right now will turn into electric home charging stations that will refuel your vehicle within 10 minutes. These electric cars will run on autopilot mode. As of now, we've already seen how Elon Musk's Tesla vehicles have their inbuilt autopilot features. Several other big tech giant companies like Google have invested billions of dollars into self-driving technology. It is said that soon these technologies will emerge and will roll out to all the consumers by 2025. This certainly means, by 2050, almost all people will step into cars with no steering wheels. Apart from self-driving electric cars, there will be thousands of trucks and minivans traveling across the world and delivering packages to all the people without any need of human beings. By 2050, shopping would be a lot easier as we are already seeing how online shopping is replacing traditional shopping. Huge developments in online e-commerce is all thanks to Amazon. Amazon is looking to create a Prime Air that will allow drones to deliver packages in less than 30 minutes. This means by 2050, we will see automatic drone delivery is far more convenient and faster than traditional services. Interaction drones will occur before 2050, as the world's richest person is planning to make this world into a tech world by creating drones that will be placed in the entire city. This man is looking to deliver all the packages and shipments with the help of a drone that will travel and deliver without any trouble. And talking about its charging, a beehive will be set up in every city where all these drones will sit and charge themselves. From the highly advanced technology that humans are producing, one technology and company that can turn out to be a profitable one is the Uber. Yes, Uber is working on multiple EV tools that want to make an aerial ride dream into reality. This company is looking to make an EV that will travel from one place to another and instantly charge while traveling. By 2050, all cities will likely have air taxis, and Elon Musk says that our roads must look like a 3D road that we see in the movies. This certainly means we will see flying cars as soon as we open our window. Now, this is something that tells us how our world in 2050 will look like. But this is not the end part, it has more to come. But before tapping 10 seconds to skip this, make sure to subscribe to our videos for more and exciting tech videos. Apart from what Musk says, his company is building an experimental tunnel under the cities called Hyperloop. And if this man is ultimately digging to show the world who he is, by 2050 we might see thousands of tunnels underneath the cities. The tunnel will be called Hyperloop, where high-speed vacuum trains will speed up to 700 miles per hour. A trip from Shanghai to New York will be completed in 43 minutes. With improved and high-tech batteries, we will be able to see electric airlines in the future. Several multinational companies are working to make this thing possible, as they are looking forward to bringing supersonic aircraft, which means these are not airliners but small-scale jets. Another thing that is changing along with these is that by 2050, we will be able to travel around in rockets. Yes, you heard it right, and Elon Musk is planning to use his Starship to transport people across the world, and the best part about this Starship is that it could travel from New York to London in just 29 minutes. While the NASA Artemis program plans to land all the human beings on the moon by 2024, SpaceX and Blue Origin are all working on this project since NASA's mission is to send humans to the moon and other different planets. In 2030, Elon Musk is developing a Starship that looks like a rocket, and it will send humans to Mars. And once a Starship reaches Mars, SpaceX is planning to build a permanent colony on Mars, and by 2050, Elon Musk will build a Martian city with as many as 1 million people on Mars. Not only this, but SpaceX is also developing a satellite that will provide the world's most advanced and fastest broadband system. Well, we might be seeing a permanent colony on the moon and humans on Mars. By 2050, renewables are expected to provide electricity to nearly half of the world. But that's not all. Soon a solar and wind power will begin to dominate the entire energy sector, and we will all see the rise in fusion power. To make this happen, 35 different countries are collaborating with each other on a $20 billion project for power generation that will work by making a fusion-powered plasma inside an experimental machine. This generally means the wall of this machine will absorb the energy to produce steam that will generate all the electricity with the help of the turbine bidders. However, it is expected that we will be seeing this first plasma by December 2025, and by 2050, we will be able to see fully working and functional fusion power plants operating more efficiently than any other power source in the entire history. Did you know that you can charge your iPhone with the power of a plant? By 2050, forests will soon become the energy stations of the future. Now it is becoming possible. However, it is still happening in some countries, and several brands are turning this into a reality. For example, Bio is a clean tech company that generates electricity from plants' photosynthesis. Though smartphones are becoming smarter day by day, in the future, you will have major access to your phone and more by something else like hologram. Instead of typing on your phone and spending several hours, you will be able to use a holographic screen to perform actions like scanning, making calls, texting, and all you could think of. It is very exciting to see the pace and transformative potential of today's innovative technologies that will transform the entire world. By the time we reach 2050, you'll be looking at a dream that turned into a reality. A world where everything would be unique and filled with technology, and by 2050, we'll see a future with changing capabilities and innovations. So what do you think about this entirely different world in 2050? Will it be possible, or is it just a random hype to excite the new world that doesn't even exist yet? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and we will be happy to hear from you. And if you are a fan of our videos, then be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for spending your quality time with us.